Hi, it's Avatar Nick here, back from my holidays. Today, bias in AI images. It's still there, but I've got some practical tips to help overcome it. First, let's celebrate this image. I literally typed in, get me a picture of a British lawyer, and this is the first thing that Runway Gen4 created. Of course, we've got to think carefully about using images like this. Only 4% of even junior barristers are black in the UK. We wouldn't want to be implying that this is the typical barrister. And of course, my good luck on diversity didn't last long. When I asked Runway for a picture of a typical British solicitor, I got this. Yep, they're all white men. That's kind of weird because 53% of British solicitors are women. What's even weirder is when I asked Runway to generate an image of a female solicitor, they're all ethnic minority. Of course, it's good to have diversity, but how come the men are all white and the women are not? It's kind of strange. Just to be clear, about 19% of solicitors are ethnic minority. Just as a test, I tried the same experiment with nurses. It came up with these images here. 4 young, beautiful, ethnically diverse women. When I asked it to create pictures of male nurses, they were all white. It's kind of weird. In all the images I've generated so far, I think you'll see that the characters are all good-looking, attractive, slim, beautiful people. That's not reality, is it? Nurses are always portrayed as young and beautiful. In reality, the average nurse is about 43 years old, and a quarter are actually obese. So we're not getting the real world here, and that's where I worry. Because when you're busy in the office, you've got to generate a picture of a nurse or a lawyer for an article you're doing, a blog post, a social media post or something. You'll maybe just use the first thing that's generated. It's very tempting to save time like that. But we're just embedding more and more bias in the internet and in our work. So let's look at 5 ways we can stop doing that. Number 1, stop and think. What do you want your character to look like? I'd normally start with race, skin color, hair color, eye color, things like that. What do you want them to look like and how do you want to portray your character? Don't let AI make these important decisions for you. Number 2, gender. You need to decide whether a nurse is male or female, whether a lawyer is male or female, whether a social worker is male or female. Don't leave it up to the AI. Number 3, choose the age of your character. If you don't, you'll get somebody who's young and beautiful. If you ask for 45, you'll probably get 35, and you need to bear that in mind. Ask for a character slightly older than you really want. Next, body shape. Don't leave this to AI. You'll get somebody straight off a catwalk or a bloke straight out of the gym. Include terms like slightly overweight in your prompt, and you'll get somebody with a realistic body shape. And finally, sadly, we don't all look like models. If you want to get somebody that doesn't look like a model, say so in the prompt. My students at Cardiff University have found this actually works. Prompts like, make them look like a normal person, not like a model, or don't make them look like a supermodel, isn't supposed to work according to a lot of prompting guidelines, but it seemed to work for them. So try that and see if you get some regular looking people. That's it for this week. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Please comment. I'd love to hear your prompting tips to get more real world, genuinely diverse characters into our AI results. Look forward to next time. Bye.